This salmon is amazing. I've never had anything like it.
Dan, we're at Bella Sara. Of course your food is gonna be great. They cater all kinds of events and weddings, big stuff. They're awesome cooks here.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Chef Giuseppe here. How are you? How's your lunch?
It's great. Everything's amazing. How do you get such a perfect sear on the salmon?
Oh man, that's a secret, but I'm willing to share it with you. It's consistency. Of course, with the product, but also with the skillets that we use and the pots and pans that we use as well. We use All-Clad here.
Yeah, you know what? I use All-Clad at my house too. Oh my gosh, I love the way when I'm cooking, it's so comfortable in my hand.
They're beautiful equipment to use. I mean, again, to give you a consistency all throughout. As a matter of fact, All-Clad facility is located right next door to us, which is a perfect venue for us to share back and forth, their equipment. There's times actually they give us equipment for us to test here in our kitchen. And if you're interested, I'd be more than glad to set you up a tour with All-Clad.
That would be great, Dan, let's go. I would love to see the thought process behind the manufacturing of these pans.
Will there be food on this tour?
All-Clad is a maker of high-quality kitchen equipment. It's professional grade, and we're most known for our handcrafted cookware, which we make here in Canonsburg.
Well, in southwestern PA, has a strong history of manufacturing. Also, there's a lot of talented and hardworking people, take pride in making a product that is going to be in someone's hands, that's basically going to be a part of someone's life, that they're going to use day to day.
We have such great partners locally, and having been around for 50 years, you can imagine the partnerships you develop over time. Metal suppliers, laser fabricators, tooling manufacturers, so we're very fortunate to have a lot of great resources locally.
All-Clad is a great place to work. Well, one, for me personally, the people. It's a great group of people, hardworking people, fun people, all working with a really strong sense of purpose. We've been fortunate that this is a place that's evolved over the years since I've been here. There's been a lot of changes in processes. A lot of investment has went into this company. That sense of purpose that comes with that is very powerful and very self-fulfilling. Improvements in design software along with the 3D printer has been very beneficial. It's been a great tool for us to realize something and help expose us to what could be a design flaw.
At All-Clad, we're looking for a wide array of skill levels. We're looking for people at entry level. We also are really interested in people who have previous manufacturing, line experience, assembly experience, metal fabrication is always helpful. People doing drafting here, engineering, a wide variety of skills that go into making our cookware.
Geez, where is Dan? I swear I can't take him anywhere.
Hey, look what I found.
Oh, geez. There's a lot more to pots and pans than just cooking, or drumming for that matter. They're creating so many jobs and opportunities in our region. It's so cool.
And they allow me to express my musical abilities.